Hello students, welcome back to social class. Students, today we are going to take new chapter 7 Saudi Arabia, the land of the hot sand. So in this chapter we will be diving into the deep deserts of Saudi Arabia, experiencing the climate and meeting a few people from the Saudi Arabia and seeing that kind of vegetation that grows in Saudi Arabia. Children, now when we see Saudi Arabia officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a hot desert located in Western Asia. Children, what is desert? A large area of land usually covered with sand that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. Children, what is desert? Yes, a large area of land usually covered with sand that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. Children, deserts are dry lands having scanty or no rainfall and very little vegetation. A place which receives less than 25 centimeters of rainfall in a year. Children, more than one-fifth of the earth's land surface is covered by desert region. Children, there are two types of deserts, hot and cold. Children, they are covered with sand dunes or ice. Children, now look at map. Most of the hot deserts are located between 15 degree north and 35 degree south of the equator 0 degree. Since the hot deserts lie near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, they are also known as subtropical deserts. Children, cold deserts are situated far away from the equator. Antarctica is the largest cold desert on earth. Children, Sahara is the largest hot desert in the world. Children, which is the largest hot desert in the world? Yes, Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. Children, which is the largest cold desert in the world? Yes, Antarctica is the largest cold desert in the world. Children, what are the important deserts in the world? The important deserts in the world are Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in Africa, Arabian Desert and Thar Desert in Asia, the Great Basin Desert in North America, Atacama Desert in South America, the Great Australian Desert in Australia. These are all important deserts in the world. Children, let us see location of Saudi Arabia. Children, Saudi Arabia is a large country that is situated in the Arabian Peninsula. Children, what is a peninsula? A body of land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Children, what is a peninsula? Yes, a body of land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Children, the Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Children, which is the largest peninsula in the world? Yes, Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Children, if you see of Saudi Arabia, it lies between the Red Sea on west, the Persian Gulf on east, and the Arabian Sea to its children. Saudi Arabia occupies almost 80% of the Arabian Peninsula. Children, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Children, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Yes, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Children, now when we look at landscape of Saudi Arabia, most of Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau and it's covered vast desert. Children, Saudi Arabia is a land of high rocky plateau with narrow coastal strips. Children, deserts are covered with small hills of sand called sand dunes. Children, hills of sand called sand dunes formed by flowing wind are a common sight in this desert. Children, can you see in this picture here? There are small hills, right? These small hills made up of sand called as sand dunes. And these sand dunes are not stationary in one place. They keep moving around. How they move around? Children, how they move around? Because of very strong winds, dust storm shifts sand dunes from one place to another. Children, some underground water sources come off to surface by forming fertile area called oasis. Children, Saudi Arabia receive less rainfall. Since no river flow through the desert, the land here is dry. Children, at some places in the desert, underground water comes to the surface, forming a fertile area called an oasis. Children, what are sand dunes? Yes, deserts are covered with small hills of sand called sand dunes. Children, what is an oasis? An oasis is a place in desert where water comes up to the surface from deep underground water sources called an oasis. Children, oases and wadis are the only areas in the desert where the presence of water allows the growth of vegetation. Children, what is meant by wadi? Wadis means stream. A stream that flows through such a channel. Children, next we move on the topic climate. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. Children, so Saudi Arabia climate is hot and dry. Children, the country gets very little rainfall, the humidity is very low, and the sun shines brightly throughout the year. Children, the nights are cool as sand, cools down very quickly at night. During winters, nights are very cold. Saudi Arabia, the sun shines bright and hot throughout the year. Do you know, children, what is meant by Ashir? It is nothing but Ashir is a desert region. The Ashir region differs as it is the only place in the desert that receives rainfall. The Ashir is the only place in the desert that receives rainfall. Do you know, children, what is meant by Abba? Abba is a popular hill station place. Abba is a popular hill station which remains cooler than the surrounding areas even during summer. Children, what is the climate of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Saudi Arabia climate is hot and dry. Children, next we discuss about vegetation of Saudi Arabia. Children, very few plants can grow in a desert climate. Do you know, children, what kinds of plants grow in Saudi Arabia? Yes, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes grown in Saudi Arabia. Children, vegetation is limited to weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs, and bushes. A soil is sandy and climate is dry. Date palms grow in the many oases and wadis of Saudi Arabia. Children, Saudi Arabia people dig wells and use water to grow crops like wheat and barley. Children, what is meant by desalinated? Desalinated means remove salt from seawater. Children, desalinated water is also used for irrigation area. Children, what kinds of plants grow in Saudi Arabia? Yes, the plants grow in Saudi Arabia are cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes. Children, let us we move on wildlife of Saudi Arabia. Children, the animals that can survive extreme hot climate and scarcity of water and food for a long duration are found in the deserts. Do you know, children? Why is the camel called the sheep of the desert? Children, the camel is the most common animal found here. It can carry heavy loads through the burning hot sand. Its feet are adapted to walk on sand. It can live without food and water for many days. For all these reasons, the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Children, some other animals like baboons, leopard, wolves, hyenas, rats, and so on. Children, now we are going to discuss about life of people. The people in Saudi Arabia experience extreme hot and cold climate conditions. Children, Saudi Arabia was inhabited by nomads who used to keep moving from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves. Children, most of the people led a nomadic life. Even today, there are nomads who rear sheep and goats. They are known as Bedouins. Children, the nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins. Children, who are Bedouins? The nomads of Saudi Arabia are called the Bedouins. Children, what is meant by nomads? Tribal people who move from place to place in search of food and water for themselves. They are also called Bedouins. They have no permanent houses. They roam from place to place. The Bedouins indulge in rearing livestock and moving in groups, forming long rows of camels. These group of people traveling together on camelback across the desert are called caravans. They travel in groups called caravans. They travel across the desert and camp near and where. Children, the Bedouins sell and buy animals products, dates, food grains, etc. at the village marketplace to earn their livelihood. Children, who are Bedouins? The nomads of Saudi Arabia are called the children. Traditional the people from Saudi Arabia were nomads. Okay, even today many people follow so the traditional people of Bedouins, their main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from one place to another in search of green pasture for their animals. In Saudi Arabia, these nomads are called Bedouins. Children, they live in tents made of animal skin. Children, next we are going to discuss about religion, language and dress of children. Islam is the official religion of Saudi Arabia and the people here are Muslims. People speak Arabic, which is also one of the official languages of the United Nations. Children, what is the official language of Saudi Arabia? Yes, the official language of Saudi Arabia is Arabic. The society of Saudi Arabia is very traditional and it's ruled by king. When we say the traditional, we see that there are certain rules and regulation followed, like women wear abaya. Children, what is abaya? A traditional black dress that leaves only eyes open, which women of Saudi Arabia must wear when they go out. Children, what is abaya? Women wear a long black robe called the abaya and keep their head covered with the hijab. Children, men wear thobe. What is thobe? A traditional loose fitted wild robes when men wear along with white cloth covering their head, held in place with a ring. Most people in Saudi Arabia follow Islam. Children, two famous Islamic pilgrimage centers, Mecca and Medina, are located in Saudi Arabia. Muslims from all over the world visit these places. Children, every year millions of Muslims from all over the world comes for Hajj to the two holiest cities of Mecca and Medina. Children, what are the two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia? Yes, Mecca and Medina are two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia. Children, millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, the most important pilgrim center for Muslims. Medina is another important religious center here. However, today the life of people has changed. Many people are living in cities with all modern facilities like air contained houses, schools, hospitals, vehicles, supermarkets, and so on. Children, next we move on economy. The economy of Saudi Arabia is based on oil. It is the largest exporter of petroleum products in the world. Children, agriculture is done in a very limited area since there are no rivers or lakes in the country, and also there is very little rainfall. Water for irrigation comes by desalting seawater. Some of the major crops are wheat, rice, dates. Date palms also grow in. Children, the economy of Saudi Arabia is petroleum based. It is the world's leading exporter of petroleum. Children, in fact, today Saudi Arabia is among the richest country of the world. Children, next we are going to discuss about industry of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producer of petroleum in the world. Almost the entire income of the country comes from the export of petroleum. Children, several large industries have been set up using the money earned by selling petroleum. They are petroleum refining, iron and steel plants, cement industries, and fertilizer industries. Children, small scale industries of leather, soap, processed food, handcrafts, and textiles are also present. Do you know, children? Saudi Arabia is the second largest producer of petroleum after Russia. Children, Saudi Arabia is the greatest exporter of petroleum and other petroleum products. Now we are going to discuss about important cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, what are the two important cities of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Mecca and Medina are the two important cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, Riyadh, Jeddah, Mecca and Medina are some of the modern cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, Riyadh is the largest city as well as the capital of the nation. Children, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Children, what are the two holiest cities in Saudi Arabia? Yes, Mecca and Medina are the two holiest cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, the business seaport of Saudi Arabia is in Jeddah. Children, what are the modern cities of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Riyadh, Jeddah, Mecca, and Medina are some of the modern cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, let us we move on. Transport of Saudi Arabia. Children, Saudi Arabia was mostly uninhabited as much of the nation's land consists of desert. Children, the development of petroleum and other industries, a good system of roads has come into existence. A railway lines has also been laid between Riyadh and the eastern seaport. Children, roads, railways, and the airways connect big cities Jeddah and Riyadh are the big cities with international airports. Children, the country has developed rapidly over the past few years and the once barren land has become quite productive. The government of Saudi Arabia is a monarchy. Children, what is meant by monarchy? Children, a monarchy is a form of government that has a single person known as a monarchy at its head. So, children, the king is the head of the state. Children, the king or queen is the head of the state. He rules over the whole of Saudi Arabia. The relationship between India and Saudi Arabia is very close. Apart from import export of goods, many Indian doctors, engineers and teachers work in Saudi Arabia. Children, let us recap what we have studied so far. We studied about Saudi Arabia, the land of the hot sand. Children, we have learned Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia lies in the Arabian Peninsula and is one of the hot deserts in the world. Riyadh is the capital and the largest city in Saudi Arabia. Children, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. It is also largest city in Saudi Arabia. Children, we have learned location of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has the Red Sea to its west, the Persian Gulf to its east, and the Arabian Sea to its south. Saudi Arabia occupies almost 80% of Arabian Peninsula. Its neighboring countries are Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and United Arab Emirates. Children, we have learned climate of Saudi Arabia. What is the climate of Saudi Arabia? Yes, the climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry. We have learned vegetation of Saudi Arabia. Children, what kind of vegetation grown in Saudi Arabia? The vegetation is limited to weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes. Cacti and thorny plants are the only forms of vegetation found in Saudi Arabia. Children, we have learned life of the people of Saudi Arabia. Children, most of the people of Saudi Arabia live in village areas near the oasis. They are farmers. Some others are nomads. Sheep, goat, camel, and horse are domesticated by them. Children, the nomads of Saudi Arabia are called the Bedouins. Children, we have learned religion, language, and dresses of Saudi Arabia. Islam is the official religion of Saudi Arabia and the people here are Muslims. What is the language of Saudi Arabia? Yes, the official language of Saudi Arabia are Arabic. Men wear thobe and women wear abaya. What is thobe? A traditional loose fitted wild robes when men wear along with white cloth covering their head, held in place with a ring. Children, what is abaya? Women wear abaya, a traditional black dress that leaves only eyes open, which women of Saudi Arabia must wear when they go out. We have learned economic of Saudi Arabia. The economy of Saudi Arabia mainly depends on petroleum. The economy of Saudi Arabia is based on oil. It is the largest exporter of petroleum products in the world. Children, next we have learned important cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, what are the important cities of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Riyadh, Jeddah, Mecca, and Medina are the important cities of Saudi Arabia. Children, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Yes, Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. It is also largest city of Saudi Arabia. Okay children, now we are going to discuss the chapter 7 book exercise. Copy this answer in your book. Children, first one, tick the correct option. First one, the hill of sand formed by blowing winds is called a dash. Option A, desert. Option B, sand dune. Option C, sandstorm. The answer is option B, sand. The hill of sand formed by blowing winds is called a sand dune. Second question, the most useful animal in the desert is the dash. Option A, camel. Option B, baboons. Option C, wolf. The answer is option A, camel. The most useful animal in the desert is the camel. Children, third question. The largest peninsula in the world where Saudi Arabia is situated is the dash. Option A, Arabian Peninsula. Option B, Rub Khali. Option C, Persian. The answer is Arabian Peninsula. The largest peninsula in the world where Saudi Arabia is situated is the Arabian Peninsula. Children, fourth question. The area in the desert where the growth of plants is possible are dash. Option A, wadis. Option B, oasis. Option C, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. The area in the desert where the growth of plants is possible are wadis and oases. Fifth question. The capital and the largest city of Saudi Arabia is dash. Option A, Mecca. Option B, Jeddah. Option C, Riyadh. The answer is Riyadh. The capital and the largest city of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Children, now we are going to discuss about worksheet. Chapter 6, Greenland, the land of snow. Check your answer in your worksheet. Children, first one, choose the correct answer. First question, polar regions are also known as dash. Option A, temperate zone. Option B, tropical zone. Option C, frigid zone. The answer is option C, frigid zone. Polar regions are also known as frigid zone. Second question, Greenland is the world's largest dash. Option A, peninsula. Option B, island. Option C, country. The answer is island. Greenland is the world's largest island. Third question. Wolf-like dogs called dash are found in the region. Option A. Lemmings. Option B. Huskies. Option C. Musk oxen. The answer is option B. Huskies. Wolf-like dogs called huskies are found in the region. Children, fourth question. The small boats used by the Inuit are called dash. Option A. Sledge. Option B. Kayak. Option C. Igloo. The answer is kayak. The small boats used by the Inuit are called kayak. Fifth question. The original settlers of Greenland were the dash. Option A. Inuit. Option B. Yakat. Option C. Layab. The answer is Inuit. The original settlers of Greenland were the Inuit. Children, sixth question. What is the capital of Greenland? Option A. Nuuk. Option B. Washington DC. Option C. Reykjavik. The answer is Nuuk. What is the capital of Greenland? Yes, Nuuk. Children, seventh question. Dash is known as the frozen continent. Option A. Asia. Option B. Antarctica. Option C. Africa. The answer is Antarctica. Antarctica is known as the frozen continent. Eighth question. The coldest place in the world lying in the south frigid zone is dash. Option A. Greenland. Option B. Antarctica. Option C. Australia. The answer is option B. Antarctica. The coldest place in the world lying in the south frigid zone is Antarctica. Ninth question. Some of the ice in the frigid zone melts in the dash. Option A. Winter season. Option B. Autumn season. Option C. Summer season. The answer is option C. Summer season. Some of the ice in the frigid zone melts in the summer season. 10th question. People visit dash for scientific research works. Option A. Antarctica. Option B. Greenland. Option C. Canada. The answer is option A. Antarctica. People visit Antarctica for scientific research works. Children, next second Roman, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the help box. Children, first question. The huge mass of floating ice is called an dash. The answer is icebergs. A huge mass of floating ice is called an icebergs. The frozen soil in the polar regions is called dash. The answer is permafrost. The frozen soil in the polar regions is also called permafrost. Third question. Dash are the native people of Greenland. The answer is Inuits. Inuits are the native people of Greenland. Fourth question. The main occupation of people of Greenland dash. The answer is hunting. Main occupation of people of Greenland hunting. Dash are temporary houses made of blocks of ice by the Inuit. The answer is igloos. Igloos are temporary houses made up of blocks of ice by the Inuit. Children, next third Roman, write true or false. First question. Greenland is also called Eskimo land. The answer is false. Greenland is also called Iceland. 1. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Yes, the answer is true. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Third question. Earlier Inuits used to hunt animals with bow and arrow. The answer is true. Earlier Inuits used to hunt animals with bow and arrow. The question. A kayak is a two-person boat. Yes, answer is false. A kayak is a one-person boat. Fifth question. The sun never sets during the winter in Greenland. Yes, answer is true. The sun never sets during the winter in Greenland. Children, next one, fourth Roman, match the following. Divided into two columns. First one, the question part. First question, Inuit. Second, Huskies. Third, Kayak. Fourth, Iceberg. Fifth one, Greenland. Children, the answer part. Wolf like dogs, huge bees of ice, midnight sun, Eskimos, and hunt animals. First question, Inuit. The answer is Eskimos. The Greenland people, Inuit are Eskimos. Second question, Huskies. The answer is wolf like dogs. Huskies, wolf like dogs. Third question, Kayak. The answer is hunt animals. Inuit use special boats called kayaks for transport and for hunting sea animals. Fourth question, Iceberg. The answer is huge bees of ice. Iceberg, huge bees of ice. Fifth question, Greenland. Yes, answer is midnight sun. Greenland, midnight sun. Children, now we are going to discuss about chapter 7, question and answer. First Roman, answer the following questions. First question, name the important deserts in the world. Children, the important deserts in the world are Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in Africa, Arabian Desert and Thar Desert in Asia, the Great Basin Desert in North America, Atacama Desert in South America, and the Great Australian Desert in Australia. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Yes, Sahara Desert is the hot desert in the world. It is located in Africa. Second question, what kinds of plants grow in Saudi Arabia? Children, plants like weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes are grown here as soil is sandy and climate is dry. Children, what are the plants grown in Saudi Arabia? Plants like weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes. Children, third question, how is the camel useful to human? How is the camel useful to human? Humans have used camels for their wool, milk, meat, leather and even dung which can be used for fuel. Camels have been used for transporting goods across deserts. So, camels are known as sheep of the desert. Fourth question, write the two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia. Yes, Mecca and Medina are two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia. Children, what are the two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia? Yes, Mecca and Medina are two important holiest cities in Saudi Arabia. Fifth question, describe the geographical location of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia lies in the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world. Children, which is the largest peninsula in the world? Yes, Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Saudi Arabia has the Red Sea to its west, the Persian Gulf to its east, and the Arabian Sea to its south. Saudi Arabia occupies almost 80% of the Arabian Peninsula. Qatar, Bahrain, and United Arab Emirates in the east, and Yemen and Oman in the south. Children, Saudi Arabia lies in the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world? Children, Saudi Arabia has the Red Sea to its west, the Persian Gulf to its east, and the Arabian Sea to its south. Children, I will send the question answer through PDF file. Copy the question answer in your classwork note. Children, write neatly and clearly in your classwork note. I hope you are all understand this chapter. Children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.